China is taking television technology to a whole new level. Imagine an 8K TV created with cutting-edge inkjet printing technology. Now, picture this, a foldable 135-inch TV. Yes, 135 inches. It's not just a screen. It's a theater that folds up when you're done. Want a cinematic experience? Just unfold it. And here's the ultimate showstopper, the double-sided TV. One screen, two worlds. Watch your favorite show on one side while someone else catches the news on the other. It's futuristic, practical, and undeniably cool. This isn't just the future of entertainment, it's the future of how we live with technology. In China, the trend of owning giant TVs is skyrocketing, but getting them home is a logistical nightmare. The solution? A crane truck. Yes, these enormous TVs are hoisted outside the building, floor by floor. Some apartments even need their huge glass windows removed to make way for the TV to enter, like a high-stakes mission. And it doesn't end there. It's a testament to how far people are willing to go for the ultimate viewing experience. 100-inch, 120-inch massive LED panels that turn living rooms into mini cinemas. Imagine a screen that's so adaptable it can effortlessly fit into every part of your day. Enter the CES 3 Pro, or, as they call it, the bestie machine. This 32-inch 4K display is more than just an average screen. It's designed to fit into nearly every part of your lifestyle. Let's take a deeper dive into how this ultra-flexible screen can elevate your day-to-day routine in ways you probably haven't even thought of yet. For drama lovers, the bestie machine is like your personal movie theater. Imagine watching your favorite dramas or the latest blockbuster releases on a 4K screen that makes every color, every texture pop. You get the best seat in the house with the 32-inch display showing every scene in vibrant detail. Want to catch up on a few episodes while you're cooking? The device is portable, which means it can easily move around with you. Set it up on the kitchen counter, and you're all set to follow along with your favorite series or even stream a live cooking show while you whip up a new recipe. For gamers, this screen is built to impress. With 8 GB of RAM, it handles gaming graphics smoothly and can keep up with the action, whether it's high-speed car chases, fantasy battles, or quick rounds of online games. The Android operating system means you have access to countless gaming apps that you can install directly on the device. And since it's powered by 128 GB of storage, there's plenty of room for your favorite games, shows, and apps without ever running into storage issues. You get all the excitement and intensity of gaming, now on a large screen that you can even carry from room to room, perfect for those nights when you want a change of scenery while still keeping your eyes on the prize. This isn't just a device for entertainment, though. It's a social hub, too. Jump onto a video call with friends or family and let the display's clarity bring everyone closer. Whether you're having a family catch-up or connecting with friends across the globe, it's like having everyone in the room with you. And the bestie machine isn't tied to just one spot. You can take it anywhere. It's so flexible you could even take it to the bathroom if you're catching up on your favorite shows or following a video tutorial while you get ready. Want to get lost in social media? No problem. The Android system gives you access to everything from YouTube and TikTok to other apps, meaning you can catch up on the latest viral videos or tutorials. Watching your favorite YouTube channel in full 4K, it's like stepping into the video yourself. And if TikTok is your thing, imagine scrolling through those bite-sized videos on a big screen. It's so much more immersive than viewing it on a smaller device. When it comes to versatility, this machine is unbeatable. It has built-in HDMI and USB ports, so if you have additional devices like a keyboard, mouse, or even a camera, you can easily connect them. Think of the possibilities. You could use it as a digital cookbook in the kitchen, propping it up as you work through a new recipe. Its portability means you can bring it from room to room, whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining. And because it charges so quickly, it's never out of commission. The bestie machine supports 90W fast charging, which means a short plug-in can have it ready for hours of uninterrupted use. Imagine all this power right at your fingertips,